Welcome back, ladies and gents. Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to be looking at a Twitch extension that will give viewers control of your game, or certain games, sorry, of with bits to either help you or hinder you. A bit of a reason why I was doing this. I've been playing a lot of Valheim, a lot of Valheim, either on stream, excuse me, or off stream. But when I'm on stream, I wanted to give my viewers something that they could either help me or hinder me. A bit of interactivity, basically. So we came across this. I went searching, tapping away on the PC, looking for different alternatives and what can be done. And I found this extension. So Bits for Tricks. What you do need to do, we'll go through how to install it and everything. So we will install it, and then we need to configure it. So once it's installed on as one of your extensions, so your extensions here, once you've installed it on there, you will need to put it as like an overlay one, or whichever overlay is. I think you only get a couple anyway. That is the one I've gone for, obviously. Once we're done that, we need to install it onto the PC, because you need to install the app as well. So we're going to configure and we're going to install. So I'm not going to do it again because it will download another folder, but it will download a folder, and it will, let's go to here because it'll be in downloads. It will download a zip folder. Extract the zip folder and then open this section here. You will need to run the exe for Bits for Tricks, and this installs this section here. Don't know why I went so high pitched. Once you've done that, you will need to connect your Twitch. So it's like most things on here. Let's reset it. Let's authorize it. So there you go. Nothing on there that you don't see anyway. So once it's done there, it's all successful. Done. We need to go to there, and we're just going to connect it up again. Oh, there we go. Have I messed it up? There we go. We're connected. So that's all connected, installed the initial part. What we then need to do is we need to go to our game. So in my case, it's Valheim, and we need to go to this section here. And this little cogwheel is where we install the mod. Do this with the game not open, or else it will not work. So I've got the game open, but yeah. So we need to find the file path for it. So wherever Valheim is stored on your PC. So in my case, it's in the it's under the D disk, Steam library, Steam apps, common, and a Valheim. And then we just copy this, and then we paste it into there, and then we install the mod, and that'll install it into that folder for you. Once we've got that all installed and done, dusted, what we need to do then, and you can go to the bits section here. So we can do custom amounts. I've got certain bits up, so you can repair inventory, you can heal, you can do the different powers. I've turned them off because I didn't think I needed them. I didn't want people doing them. So you can set the amounts for each individual section, so you can go from as low as 10 bits all the way up to 9,999 bits if you really, really want. But you can also have low, average, high. I will suggest on certain things like bosses or especially on Valheim, grey dwarfs and stuff like that, and different bits, maybe setting the amount a little bit higher, because they do spawn in as 2-star and even 1-star, and it can all of a sudden, if somebody does it, mess your whole game up, especially if you spent a lot of hours. But it is a good bit of fun if people do it at the right time, and it can be an interesting time, shall we say. So once we have it installed, you can test it. I'm going to show you on actual Valheim itself. So let's just undo that. We'll tab into there, just because otherwise it won't do it. I've set up a little test game. So we can go to, if we go back to the top, where is it? There we go. We can test it out. So for example, another bit we will just go in the settings is you can do in the settings here, You can set up a sound alert. You can set a username activated, what event and for how much, and it'll play through. And you can set the voice as well, because it will do a TTS voice as well. So you can set that. So yeah, it's so easy to set up, really, and it just adds a different event to it. So let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's say heal. There we go. As you can see, it heals me, and my health has gone up from 25 to 23. So from 23 up to 25. Sorry. So depending on what you want to do, you could. Let's have a look. So quality food. There you go. So there's quality food there. I don't know what that ends up being. Cooked lox meat. So that's actually very good. That is very good, and that spawns that in the game. Let's have another one. Let's. Right, we're all gonna like this one. Let's test this one out. For anybody that's played Valheim, you will know how hard these hit. There are fewlings there, and they are little shits. Pardon my French. Basically, I'm going to die here, but yeah, they can spawn them in, and they will kill you effectively, because I'm not in a position to avoid them. So I'm going to pause that there, because this is just a little test account. I'm going to delete this one probably later, because I've got a more one that I've put a lot of hours into. A lot of hours. But yeah, once that's all up and running, you're good to go. I believe you do have to open this to make it work in stream, so it's worth opening it up each time to make sure it will work. You can test a few bits out, your controls. If people really want to mess with you and mess with your game, then yeah, go for it. There is one that does beat all the bosses, but I can't find it at the moment to test it. But yeah, I think that gets the idea. Yeah. And obviously, the one bit I will say, actually, well, I remember, it's obviously there's all these other games as well. So you can have it for Don't Starve Together, Dota 2, Counter-Strike, Skyrim, Grand Theft Auto, Minecraft. So yeah, and it's so easy to set up, and then you can have it so your chat can see it. And then they can, if they really want to, you can set it really high, you can set it medium or really low. They will love it, honestly. I've used it once and it kicked off. It was brilliant. It was madness because it was on my main world and it was unbelievable. But yeah, good fun. Yeah, ladies and gents, thank you again for watching. Let us know in the comments below what you set your bits prices for what you're doing. As for now, catch you all in the next one. Peace out.